If you follow endurance flying tipplers in North America, one name always stands out: Oskar Zovic. Oskar started with tipplers back in 1974. For decades, he's been at the heart of competition when the flying is at its toughest. Oskar holds multiple Canadian records, including the legendary 18-hour Old Bird flight. Times were flown between 1984 and 2005, with times ranging from 16 hours and 12 minutes to 18 hours even. The old Canadian Old Bird record. Undoubtedly, he is the most consistent, high-quality endurance flying tippler competitor of his era. But Oskar is more than records. He's a true master breeder, reading eye, body strength, feather quality, and producing some of the rarest and finest tippler colors in the world. For over 35 years, he's helped build and sustain the Canadian tippler sport and played a key role in shaping the Canadian National Tippler Union. Champion flyer, master breeder, true gentleman. Oskar Zovic, a living legend of flying tipplers.